Write an equation for the line with x-intercept 3, 0 and y-intercept 0, 9/2. Give the final answer in slope-intercept form. To write the equation of a line, we need two pieces of information. We need to know a point and the slope. We're given 2 points, so that part isn't an issue, but let's determine the slope using these points. The slope is the change in y over the change in x. In other words, let's subtract the y values and divide by the difference between the x values. I'm going to identify the point 3, 0 as x1, y1, the point 0, 9/2 as x2, y2. Now let's subtract. In the numerator, y2 minus y1 is 9/2 minus 0. In the denominator, in the same order, x2 minus x1 is 0 minus 3. Subtracting then, we have a 9/2 in the numerator and a negative 3 in the denominator, which I'm going to write as a negative 3 over 1. Dividing these fractions, we actually need to multiply by the reciprocal of the denominator. This becomes a 9/2 times then a negative 1/3. Before multiplying, let's cancel common factors. 3 goes into itself once, into 9 3 times. So this product is a negative 3/2. The slope is negative 3/2, and let's focus in on this point at 0, 9/2, which is the y-intercept. So why don't we use the equation y is equal to mx plus b, which is the slope-intercept form of an equation, and let's substitute values. The slope we found to be a negative 3/2, and the y-intercept from above is 9/2. Therefore, the equation of this line with an x-intercept of 3, 0 and a y-intercept of 0, 9/2 is y equal negative 3/2 x plus 9/2.